Hello, Phonics fans, and welcome to the next episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me! Today, we will be reviewing the vowels and the consonants that we've already learned. Then we will learn some new letters, the letters V, X, and Y. Let's quickly review the letters we've learned so far. For the vowels, we've learned A, E, I, O, U, and today we'll talk about that tricky letter Y. We've learned almost all of the consonant sounds so far. The only ones that are left over are V, X, and the consonant sound Y. Let's start today by talking about the letter V. This is an uppercase V, and this is a lowercase v. The letter V says V. Here are some things that begin with the V sound. Van, volcano, vase. We have now learned the letter V. Now let's talk about the letter X. This is an uppercase X, and this is a lowercase x. The letter X is kind of strange because it actually makes two sounds squished together. The sounds K and S. All together, that sounds like X. Here are some words that have the X sound in them. X-ray, axe, exercise. Yay, we've learned another letter, the letter X. The final letter that we're going to learn about in the Fiona Phonics series is the letter Y. This is an uppercase Y, and this is a lowercase y. But I have a tricky question for you. Is the letter Y a vowel, or is it a consonant? You've probably heard me say that our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So why is it only sometimes a vowel? Well, because the letter Y says lots of different sounds depending on where it is in a word. So the short answer to is it a vowel or is it a consonant is, it's both. The letter Y is a vowel if it makes a long I sound in a word. I. Like in the words cry or fly. The letter Y is also a vowel if it has a short I sound, I, like in the word gym or mystery. The letter Y is also a vowel if it makes a long E sound, E, like in the words bunny or happy. The final way that makes the letter Y a vowel is if it is stuck to another vowel. This is called a diphthong. One example is the OY diphthong, which makes the OI sound. Another diphthong is the AY diphthong, which makes the A sound. One word that has the OI diphthong is the word toy. One word that has the A diphthong is the word hay. And finally, the letter Y is a consonant if it makes a hard Y sound, Y. Some words that have the Y sound are yard, yellow, and yes. Of course, we saved the trickiest letter for last, the letter Y. We have now officially learned all of the letters of the alphabet. That's definitely something to celebrate. But let's quickly review the letters from today. The consonant V says V, like in van, volcano, vase. The consonant X makes two sounds, X, like in X-ray, axe, exercise. Now for that tricky letter Y, let's start with the consonant sound, which is the Y sound, like in yard, yellow, yes. The letter Y is a vowel when it makes the other sounds, like I in gym, I in cry, E in bunny, and finally when it's paired with another vowel, making it a diphthong, like OI in the word toy. Well done, everybody. You guys are smart cookies. I can't believe that we've learned the entire alphabet in only 15 lessons. I'm so proud of you. Check out my other videos in my Fiona Phonics series. The Game Zone, where you can practice your newly learned skills, Fiona Phonics Fitness, and Printing Practice, where we'll learn to print our letters together. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona, for more educational content. Let's learn more together.